Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I have featured the beautiful Concept 2 Air, and this is going to be a multi-fuel cooker. It can burn both wood and coal. So if you guys are on the East Coast and have access to coal, this can be an excellent option. Now, this coal stove is rated for hard coal, anthracite coal. So if you are on the West Coast and like my Wyoming friends, or sometimes some people in Montana that have access to coal, generally that's going to be a soft bituminous coal. Bituminous coal is much more corrosive than a hard anthracite coal. So bituminous coal is not going to be rated in this product because of the corrosiveness. Whenever burning bituminous coal, you can expect to have to replace your parts inside, especially like firebox and things like that, within a 5-year time frame. And so because of that, it doesn't apply to warranty. On an anthracite coal, while coal does obtain hotter temperatures than wood does, it burns hot and it burns clean and it's not corrosive. So that's what's going to be rated in our coal model cookers. This is a really nice cooker. I like it a lot. It sits about 42 inches wide here. So it's not too large, but a little bit bigger than those 36-inch models. That extra width comes in here in the oven. I was able to get like a full Dutch size oven in here, like a big cast iron one. And that's really nice for a smaller footprint cooker like this. So I did appreciate that. It's nice because it's primarily steel. Your cast iron components would basically just be your doors. The rest of it is going to be a steel body stove, and the cooktop is full steel and replaceable as well. So the cooktop does get hot nice and quick. So if you're looking for a cooker that's going to get up to temperatures very quickly for both cooking, baking, and heating, this is an excellent choice here. It does have the ability to add in outside air. So if you need that extra combustion air inside your home, this will fit the bill as well. This model is shown with the flue here on the left-hand side, and that's going to put the firebox over here on the right. And you could order that with the opposite, with the firebox on the left-hand side and the flue on the right. This can be a top, a rear, or a side vent flue, so that's pretty unique there. I do like that the inside the baking oven is going to be stainless steel, so you don't have to deal with any kind of like paint detox or anything like that. And also pretty easy to keep stainless steel clean as long as you have the right products to do so. So that's been really nice. I will talk on that too. I was able to cook and bake inside the stove really pretty quickly in comparison to some of the other models that I have to burn multiple times. I burned this stove all day the first day, and I mean, I burned it good and hot and like stoked it up again before I left for the night. And the second day that I went to fire it up, there was no more paint detox. So that's nice. I've had some products that I've had to burn like 3 or more times to feel good about cooking in them. So that was pretty nice. I like that feature as well. It does have this nice drawer located at the bottom. And I'm just going to give you guys temperature readings because this is something that people ask about. And my garage door is falling on me, so I really hope that the ceiling don't fall down right now. So sorry if I keep looking up. Inside our drawer here is reading 87 degrees on the side and like 91 degrees on the bottom. So it's really a perfect spot to keep your kindling so it can dry out. Or, you know, if you bake a lot, it's an extra place to put your baking dishes too. So I like that. I do like the finish on the stove, the nice stainless steel on the air and on the corners and on the trim. They do have this available in a gray model as well, which would not have the stainless steel corners. So overall, I really do like this stove. I think it's a very cute little cooker. I hope you guys enjoy these videos and that you find them helpful. I really do my best to try and show you guys these products in full so that you really know what you're getting. I'll show you like the full 360-degree view of the stove. I show them burning. I show them burning at different rates, temperatures, cooking, baking, product overviews. I've even been to the factory here in Serbia, and I have factory tour videos as well, so please be sure to check that out. I've been in my career a very long time. I love what I do, and I love sharing my information with all of you guys. So if you appreciate it as well, please share my content with a group on the social media, homesteading groups, cooking groups, homeschooling groups, off-grid groups, home groups, luxury groups. We have all kinds of products. We fit all the needs, and we are here to help you out. We appreciate your continued loyal support. If you haven't already, click that little subscribe button in the corner of the channel. If you hit the bell, it'll give you all of the latest updates with all of our newest videos. It's at least one video, 2 videos, sometimes more than 2 new videos a week on all your favorite cookers. Thanks for watching. God bless and have the most beautiful day today.